Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Pontiac Vibe. Stock number is A6510B. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end, and we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control, and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Pontiac on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.